Your neighbors can see everything you are doing right now. Every time you step into your garden. Every time you sit down to rest your back after a long morning of weeding. Every time you try to enjoy 5 quiet minutes in the space you worked so hard to create. They can see all of it. And the fencing industry knows that. That is why a standard privacy fence installation in America will run you anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000. That is not a misprint. $10,000. Just to stop someone from looking into the yard you already own. Most people pay it because they have been told there is no other way. There is always another way. And today, that other way is going to cost you less than $20. If you are new here, welcome to Greenhaven Hacks. This is the channel that tells you the truth mainstream gardening never will. We find the real solutions, the ones that work in the real world on a real budget, and we bring them straight to you every single week. Today we are covering $8 tree privacy hacks that genuinely work. Not decorations. Real privacy. Real coverage. Real transformation. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button right now, tap the notification bell, and select all notifications so you never miss a single upload. This community is growing fast, and the people inside it are saving hundreds of dollars every single season. You belong here. One more thing before we get into the list. After hack number 8, I have a bonus tip that changes how every single one of these hacks performs long-term. It is the difference between a privacy setup that looks great for 2 weeks and one that holds up for 2 full years. Do not skip out early. And right now, drop your answer in the comments. Have you ever gotten a fence quote that made your stomach drop? Tell us the number. The rest of this community needs to see it. Dollar Tree sells outdoor bamboo garden stakes for $1.25 each. A bamboo privacy roll from a home improvement store covering a 10-foot stretch costs $60 to $90. We are going to cover that same stretch for about $15. Pick up 10 to 12 bamboo stakes per panel. Lay them flat side by side on the ground like fence slats lined up tight. Grab a pack of black zip ties. Dollar Tree carries those too, and tie them horizontally at the top, across the middle, and along the bottom. What you are holding now is a solid bamboo panel. Drive 2 longer stakes into the ground about 6 inches deep on each side as your vertical supports. Zip tie your panel right to them. Repeat down your fence line, and you have a continuous natural bamboo screen. Every panel is lightweight. You can carry 2 in one trip. No post hole digger. No concrete. No contractor. You build it yourself at your own pace and set it down the moment you need a break. That is the genius of this hack. The bamboo weathers to a beautiful silvery gray naturally over a season or 2. If you want to hold the original golden color, 1 coat of outdoor wood sealant locks it in and adds real life to every stake. Next up is a hack that looks like it came out of a cottage garden magazine and costs less than a lunch out. Dollar Tree carries burlap fabric and burlap ribbon seasonally. When they have it, buy every last bit of it. Run a simple wire or thin rope between 2 fence posts, 2 trees, or 2 tall stakes driven about 6 to 8 feet apart. Drape your burlap fabric over that line in large overlapping panels the way curtains hang in a window. Tie sections back with jute twine during the day for airflow, then let them fall closed in the evening for complete privacy. Nobody who sees it is going to think budget solution. They are going to think cottage garden. They are going to think carefully designed outdoor room. Total cost for a 6 to 8 foot stretch is under $8. The honest truth about burlap is that it breaks down with moisture over time. 1 coat of outdoor fabric spray sealant extends the life significantly. The color holds longer in direct sun, the fabric holds its shape after rain, and the whole setup carries you through an entire outdoor season looking beautiful. Most people see the black decorative lattice fence panels at Dollar Tree and think they are just edging for flower beds. That is leaving about 90% of their value on the table. Take 4 panels and connect them using zip ties so 2 panels sit on top of 2, forming a taller combined structure. Drive a wooden stake into the ground behind it for support, and you now have a trellis standing between 4 and 5 feet tall. But here's where it gets exciting. Plant climbing vines at the base. Annual climbers like Morning Glory, Black-Eyed Susan vine, or climbing beans will grow up that trellis within a single season and create full lush living coverage. You are not just getting a privacy screen. You are getting a living garden wall that fills in thicker and denser every single week of summer. For panels costs $5. Add a couple of seed packets and you are still under $15 total for a section of living fence that gets better as the season goes on. Dollar Tree regularly carries tension rods, curtain clips, and sheer fabric panels in various colors. Run a tension rod horizontally between two fence boards, two posts, two trees, or two shepherd hooks pressed into the ground. Clip your fabric panels onto the curtain clips and let them hang all the way down toward the ground. For panels for under $10. The layered fabric effect gives you real visual privacy while still letting light and air move through the space. For better opacity, choose panels with a tighter weave. Layer two panels behind each other on the same rod, and you block nearly all direct sight lines from outside. No drilling, no cutting, no hauling heavy lumber. Tension rods take seconds to install. Fabric panels clip on in minutes. You do the whole setup at your own pace, step back, and it looks completely finished. That is smarter building. That is experience talking. Now drop your answer in the comments right now. What is the worst gardening advice you ever followed, and how much did it cost you? Around here we are done with advice that wastes your time, your money, and your energy. Your stories help every single person watching this channel. This next hack skips fencing entirely because sometimes the smartest privacy solution does not look anything like a fence at all. Take Dollar Tree planter pots in multiple sizes and arrange them in tiered groupings. Tallest plants go in the back, medium in the middle, small trailing plants in the front. Fill the base of each pot with foam or dry filler before adding soil, so you are not spending a fortune on potting mix just to fill the bottom third. To get real screening height, add ornamental grasses, tall zinnias, or sunflowers grown from seed. These can reach 5 to 6 feet in a single season. Group 5 to 7 of them together in a corner cluster, and you have a genuine privacy wall that sways softly in the breeze and looks stunning all summer. The pot setup runs $6 to $10 for a full tiered grouping. Seeds cost almost nothing, and every pot moves. If the sightline shifts, your privacy screen shifts with it. Try doing that with a wood fence. Dollar Tree carries Faux Greenery year-round. Artificial vines, leaf garlands, trailing faux plant strands. Take your existing chain-link fence and weave the faux vine garlands horizontally and vertically through the fence links, alternating directions so coverage builds dense and layered. Secure with zip ties every 12 inches to keep everything in place through wind and rain. 3 to 4 passes of vine garlands through a chain link section will block most direct sight lines from any real distance. And because it is faux, it does not need watering, does not die in winter, and needs no pruning. The only maintenance is an occasional rinse with the garden hose. At $1.25 per strand, a 10-foot fence section costs under $15 to transform completely. If you are watching this and you have not subscribed to Greenhaven Hacks yet, think about how much value you have already picked up in this video alone. 8 privacy hacks. Real numbers. Real costs. Real results. Imagine getting this every single week. Hit that subscribe button right now. Tap the notification bell and select all notifications. Every time we upload, you will know before almost anyone else does. This community is full of experienced gardeners who are done overpaying and done following bad advice. You belong here. Subscribe now. This next hack has gone viral on multiple platforms, and the reason is simple. The before and after is almost unbelievable. First, free pallets. Check Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or simply ask at your local grocery store, garden center, or hardware store. Most businesses give pallets away because hauling them off costs money. Second, Dollar Tree decorative trellis fence panels and black outdoor spray paint. Line your pallets vertically side by side and secure them to each other and to ground stakes with zip ties or screws. Then spray the front face with black outdoor paint. Rough industrial wood immediately reads as intentional when it is painted black. It reads as architectural. It reads as designed. Now mount your Dollar Tree trellis panels along the top of the pallet fence. That adds 1 to 2 feet of decorative height and gives the entire structure a finished top line that looks completely custom built. The combination looks like a $40 per panel professional installation. Total cost, assuming pallets were free, is $10 to $15 for the entire run. Do this one and photograph the before and after. Share it in the comments. Our community loves seeing these results. The final hack solves the one problem all the others cannot. Open space. The middle of a patio. An outdoor seating area where there is nothing to attach anything to. You are building a freestanding room divider. Take 4 wooden dowels or long bamboo stakes and connect them at the top with horizontal pieces to form a rectangular standing frame. Stabilize the base by pressing the bottom stakes into the ground or weighting each side with a filled planter pot. Now fill the interior. Weave in burlap for a solid wall effect. Hang faux greenery for a living wall look. Clip sheer fabric to the top rail and let it hang loose for an airy, elegant screen. The result is a movable privacy structure you can reposition anytime. Perfect for blocking a specific sight line during outdoor dining. Perfect for storing flat in winter and bringing back out in spring with zero permanent installation and zero heavy lifting. Total cost per panel is $8 to $12. Build 2 or 3 and you have a complete outdoor privacy wall system that costs nothing in permanent installation. 8 hacks. 8 real solutions. Bamboo stake privacy wall for $15. Burlap curtain wall for under $8. Trellis panel living wall for under $15. Outdoor curtain system for under $10. Potted plant privacy tower for under $10. Faux greenery chain link screen for under $15. Pallet and trellis combo fence for $10 to $15. Freestanding privacy panel for $8 to $12. Every single one built without a fence contractor, without a concrete bag, and without a $10,000 invoice. Now the bonus tip, the one that was promised at the very start. Every one of these hacks involves stakes, dowels, or wooden supports going into the ground. And every one of them faces the same quiet enemy the moment you press them into the soil. Ground moisture. It works from the bottom up, rotting the base of your stake before the top even shows a sign of wear. Before you press any stake or wooden support into the ground, dip the bottom 6 to 8 inches in a mixture of 50% exterior wood sealant and 50% linseed oil. Let it soak for 10 minutes and dry fully before installing. That bottom section now repels moisture rather than absorbing it. Bamboo stakes that would last 1 season now last 3 to 4. This is the kind of tip that experienced gardeners pass to each other quietly. It is not on the packaging. It is the difference between building something once that lasts and rebuilding the same thing every single spring. Now you know. And knowing that puts you ahead of almost everyone else who tried these hacks and wondered why they did not hold up. Which one of these 8 hacks are you building first? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you have a Dollar Tree privacy hack of your own that we did not cover, share it. Our community learns from each other, and some of the best tips on this channel have come straight from the comment section. Hit that subscribe button right now. Tap the notification bell. Select all notifications. Because next week we are covering something that major garden centers have been quietly counting on you never figuring out for yourself. When you see it, you will never look at your local garden center the same way again. Turn on all notifications so it lands directly in your feed the moment it goes live. Greenhaven Hacks is on your side. Your experience matters here. Your best gardening years are not behind you. They are right now. We will see you in the next one.